how to fix error obtaining while performing a copy-paste task on your computer. So if you want to fix the error obtained while performing a copy-paste task, then what you need to do is, the first method is you need to try using a different USB cable or a different USB port on your computer. See if that fixes your issue. But if that doesn't, then you need to go with your second method, which is you need to go with your search section and search for CMD. Right click on it, go with Run as Administrator, and click on Yes. And here it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter some commands, which is you need to enter chkdsk space /f space /r. Then click on Enter. After that, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply press Y, which is for yes, and then hit the Enter again. And then you need to just simply go and restart your computer. And also you're going to restart your phone as well at the same time. So restart both your phone and your computer. And the third method is once you restart your computer, it's going to say, skip this. You just need to simply do one thing, is do not press any keys. You want to let all that seconds load and your scan will start. And once the scan has been done, it will take you back to the Windows section and the problem should be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.